Today we will review 11 best landing page builder app for Shopify. Before we begin the main content, I want to share two important and relevant things with you. And I'm going to keep this section in a separate chapter. So if you want to skip to the main content, you can. So number one is traffic. If you look at one of our Warrior Plus accounts, let's take a quick screenshot. Yes, the money look real good, but all this money came from these visitors. They clicked our links and they purchased from us, and that's why we made money. And if you are running a Shopify store or any store, you need visitors, you need traffic, you need customers. And to be honest, we make videos to get traffic and customers to our offers. And this is how we make money. But making videos with cameras and microphones is not a scalable process. It needs practice, multiple shots, editing, and a lot of energy. So in order to turn any beginner, whether it's a team member or myself or my kids or our customers, into a professional video creator who can drive traffic from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, we made our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. So for our 20 plus other channels, we use Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows you to make videos using image, text, links, bookmarks, notes, screenshots. With Epic, we don't need to write scripts. We just go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, paste it here, use any of these buttons, and Epic AI rewrites the text for us, and that text is out. Then we take that text and go to the audio section, go to text to audio section and click the add button, put the text here, then one click, that text turns into natural sounding voiceover. So Epic users don't need to use their microphones or record their voiceover, but they can if they want. Epic users don't use camera because they don't have to. And Epic users don't write script because Epic writes the scripts for them using AI. Epic is free, link is in the description. Epic is free to start, link is in the description, go grab it. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and all your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. With this share, you can help others as well. And they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your website visitors and customers. This is exactly how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money online. Make simple videos and drive traffic and customers to your stores from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all other video channels for free. The second thing I want to mention before we go to the main content, that if you are already a user of Shopify, congratulations. But you and I both know Shopify is not free or cheap. Shopify is expensive, and Shopify applications are expensive as well. So in order to make online stores affordable and easy accessible for us and for our beginner customers, and for our professional customers who want to start a second store or a test store or maybe a store for a client with all the important features without expensive Shopify or without paying a lot of recurring fees for multiple add-ons, we built Grants. Grants is an online store builder application. It's literally a true replacement of Shopify with all the important features that Shopify has and the features that Shopify users spend additional monthly recurring fees for extra add-ons. They are all built in. Grants is available for free to start in the description. Go grab it for your next store, maybe the second one, maybe the third one, maybe the first one. Grab it if you are a complete beginner, or maybe you want to start a new store for a client. All right, now let's begin our main content. The first one is Page Studio by ShopPad. 318 reviews, $9.99 per month after 14 days free trial. It's literally minimum $119 per year. You don't need to learn coding to create page if you use this application. They have a global CDN built in, so the pages load fast, increases SEO, and the pages you create using Page Studio are always 100% yours to keep, even if you ever decide to uninstall the app. This is a good thing. This is how the editor looks like. These are some of the templates, and this is inside the app. Pretty cool and basic. The next one is Zipify, Pages, Builder and Editor. 5-star, 607 reviews, $67 a month. Wow. After 14 days of trial. And looks like they have a lot of advanced features with the basic features and a lot of templates as well. It looks pretty good, but that's not all. $67 a month is the basic plan with limited features plus limited number of traffic. They only allow 250,000 monthly page views. And if you want 500,000 monthly page views, then you have to upgrade to $97 a month. That's $1,164 per year extra cost. And I don't see any unlimited plans. Honestly, I must say I'm very proud of grants. That's why we build grants, to help ourselves and our customers. Check it out. It's free to start. Link is in the description. The next one is Hypervisual Page Builder. 5-star rating, 126 reviews, $9.95 per month, 14 days trial, which is $119 per year. They have great templates, easy drag and drop interface, mobile optimized. Their focus features are optimized for extreme speed and SEO friendliness. I don't see anywhere they mention that you can keep the pages if you decide to uninstall. The next one is Buildify Landing Page Builder. Overall rating 4.2. Total number of reviews 80. Free plan available, 7-day free trial. They didn't mention the price, but they have multiple tiers. Tier number 1, $9.99 per month. Advanced, $19.99 per month. Unlimited, $29.99 per month. That's $359.88 per year additional cost for Page Builder alone. The next one is Page Builder and Pro Page Editor. $9.99 per month, which is around $112 per year additional cost after 15 days trial. Overall rating 4.3. They have total 33 reviews. I'm not feeling super excited about this, but you can check it out. The templates look good, the editor looks good, but nothing new to be honest. The next one is DragDropr Page Builder. Only 4 reviews so far, 4.4 rating. $19 per month, 14-day free trial. Page Builder looks good, but pretty basic. We have used this kind of Page Builder in many different places. Well, I can see the feature everybody focuses on is that no coding required. Well, that's the purpose of drag and drop Page Builder, right? The next one is Shogun Page Builder. Video unavailable. 4.8 overall rating. 2,922 reviews. A lot. Looks like people love it and looks like it's not cheap at all. Well, that makes sense. They're charging a lot of money, so they keep their app up and running all the time. $39 per month is the basic tier. The next one, $149 per month. And the next one is $299 per month. And the maximum you can build with that top tier is 500 pages only. That's for one store alone. With grants, all the important add-ons with your store builder is totally built in. The domain on us, hosting server on us. The next one is PageFly Landing Page Builder. This is looking so good. 4.9 overall rating, 6,727 reviews. But it's a little bit cheaper. You can start for free and then you pay $29 per month. And then here's the kicker. For $199 per month, you get unlimited everything. Unlimited traffic, unlimited pages, unlimited page views. And if you pay annual, then you will pay $165.83 month billed at $1,990 per year. To me, this one so far looks better than the others. But let's see what others have for us. This is how the dashboard looks like. Looking pretty good and beginner friendly. Good one, mobile optimized. The next one is LayooutHub. Overall rating 4.9, 2,382 reviews. With the free version, you can create 3 pages, basically just to try. The basic plan charges you $14.99 per month, but all the plans give you a better price if you pay annual. And the top tier, premium, charges $59.99 per month, and it comes down to $49 if you pay annual. And everything in Pro plan, unlimited pages, templates. Next one is GemPages. Overall rating 4.9, 2,844 reviews. Templates are looking pretty well, pretty good, very good, looks awesome. This is good. After 10-day free trial, either you pay $15 per month or $29 per month or $59 per month. And the last one in today's list is EComposer, landing page builder. Overall rating 5, yes! 392 reviews. I really want to see why it got 5-star rating. This looks really good. This is good, awesome, so exciting. Boom, love it. They have a free plan to create only 3 pages just to try. Then basic plan charges $14.99 per month. Pro version charges $29.99 per month. And premium $59.99 per month. But unfortunately, even on premium plan, you can make maximum 100 pages. We recommend before you buy or try something, read customer reviews, the problems existing users face, the features existing users are excited about, and decide accordingly. And if you want to give grants a try, it's free to try. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And if you want free traffic and free customers, you should use videos. Whether you're already using videos or you're new to videos, Epic will make your life easy. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Use it yourself. Give it to your team members. Video making and getting traffic from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram is super easy with Epic. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and all your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. With this share, you can help others as well. And they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your website visitors and customers. This is exactly how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money online. And yes, when they like you, they will share your content and send more referral traffic. So share any good content, helpful content like this video in your social media timelines, and this will help you increase your website traffic as well. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one.